I'm going to show you how to use Disk Jockey to create a bootable hard drive for the new Snow emulator, which emulates classic macOS computers. Now, when you configure Snow, the first thing you need to tell it is to use a ROM, and I'm going to emulate a Macintosh SE. So to do so, I'll select a ROM, which I own because I own a Macintosh SE and I have extracted its ROM from it. And this is not something I found on the internet. So I will select the ROM for the Macintosh SE. I could hit load and run. Actually, I'm going to. And this is what happens. Well, it doesn't have a hard drive, so it's complaining that, well, I don't have anything to boot from. And this is where Disk Jockey comes to the rescue. I'm starting Disk Jockey, and in this version, which is the latest one, it is possible to select Snow as a destination for your disk image, which I'm doing now, and admiring the extremely cute icon. The interesting bit comes under Advanced Options, because by default, what Disk Jockey is going to do is create a blank disk image with an empty, completely blank HFS partition, HFS being the original, at least one of the original Macintosh file systems. Now, in a blank HFS partition, you don't have anything to boot from. So what I can do now is hit the little plus here and say, I'm going to add a partition to this disk image and select, in this case, system 6.0.8 bootable. What this will do is create a disk image which contains two partitions, the blank one with nothing on it, and another one with a bootable System 6. Now let me create the image, save it somewhere, and once that's done, here is my disk image. It's been created. Now back in Snow, under Drives, I'll select Load Disk Image and go to where I just saved my disk image. Hit Open, and hopefully, here we go. The emulated Macintosh SE picked up my disk image. Now, this one asks to name your Macintosh computer because the System 6.0.8 version that Disk Jockey installs has some AppleTalk built in case you need to network your computer. So let's call it Snow and hit OK. See, it boots. It starts booting again. So the computer is started, but now it says that a disk is damaged. Well, it's actually not. What's going on is that the other partition, the 20 megabyte blank HFS partition, has not been formatted yet. It's completely blank. So the booted Mac now says, there's a disk here, there's a partition, I don't know what to do with it. Should I initialize it? So of course you can initialize it. It's going to erase everything. Oh no. And let's name it, and we'll call it my hard drive. And here we go. Now, in Snow, we have two partitions. One with the system, that's right here, and it's completely the original system, of course. And another one, which is 20 megabytes in size and is now ready to do whatever you want. You can copy stuff to it. It's an actual hard drive. Here we go. Thanks.